Hello, this is Mrs. Bobby, Module 5, Lesson 15. And today we're going to be looking at the net drawings and going from a two-dimensional shape to the three-dimensional and prism versus pyramid. So the stuff that I have listed on the side, I do want you to write, even though you don't actually see me writing it. A prism has identical faces opposite its bases. So like, see how these two have the same, this right here would be a prism. Now it's going to have a special name in a minute, but we're going to get to that in a second. Whereas this one is a pyramid opposite the base. This is the base. It goes to a point. So that's how you know it's a pyramid. And if you notice, the faces, the sides of these are in fact triangles. So what we're going to be doing today is looking at what their specific names are and matching their net to their actual piece. So I'm just going to raise this up a tad. So here we go. So this right here is a rectangular pyramid. It's got a rectangular base, goes to the pyramid, where this is a prism, but it's a triangular prism because its bases are triangles, where this is just a rectangular prism. And if you notice, it has identical faces opposite the bases. See here, same thing as this one. This is a prism, but a triangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. They're a bunch of rectangles, but they're opposites that. So now we have to mix and match these. Well, obviously, if these are all a bunch of rectangles, then we know that this is its a net drawing. And if we think about this, this could be like the bottom, this could be the top, and this could maybe be a front, and this maybe is the back, and then these are just sides. So people tend to name those. And now this one goes with your triangular prism, and this in fact becomes your pyramid because after I fold all these sides up, it comes up to a point. All right, and as always, this is Mrs. Bobby, and I love math and Diet Coke. Have a great afternoon.